Sir, you know me, sir.
I know you, but I don't know you are my in-law now.
Excellency, how are you? I'm fine, thank you, Excellency. Thank you very much. Very glad to be here. I'm very glad to be here, Excellency.
Okay, sorry.
I was reporting, I know him, but just today they told me he's married to my sister. Today.
So I agree with you, Excellency. He has committed an offense. Just keep quiet.
I'm going to spend the whole weekend in His Excellency's village.
Can you imagine? In fact, it's Captain Ekom that told me, you know his job. I said, so he's married to my sister in my village. Okay? Is this how military people do?
He will pay for it.
You have to consult me before entering my village. We are not in times of war. It's only war times that you can invade.
I said
Excellency, I'll tell you what to bring for the consultation. I will guide you.
So we have to do that to make my budget. Let's go.